This is a natural way to clean your silver. You use toothpaste, no chemicals. Look how sparkling this is. This is a silver bracelet that I'm going to attempt to clean with tooth. I covered the bracelet with toothpaste. Look at the difference. So now I realize that this wedding gift that I got 40 years ago is not real silver. It's mixed with other metals. It still looks good. I polished it with toothpaste. I rubbed toothpaste on it and then waited about 10-15 minutes and then polished it with the soft cloth. Still looks better than before, but this is not pure silver. So I'm going to try to polish this cup. This is only after 5 minutes. I'm going to leave it on for another 10 minutes. Let's see the difference.